Yes, tell me what we discussed yesterday. Views completed, right? Any questions in the views? Any questions in the views? Yes. Any questions in the views? Right. Let me set the environment. We are working with the reports underscore dashboards RPD, right? Let me load with that RPD reports underscore dashboards. Right. Let us start our class. So yesterday, whatever we discussed, those all things are about answers. Okay, in the answers we discussed how to create the web catalog, that we understand. Then we went for column properties. Then we went for edit formula. Then we went for filters. Then we went for prompts. Then we went for direct database request. Then we went for what is that? Union intersect, that is combining with similar request. That's what we understand. Then we went for what else? Views, all views. We have 15 types of views. Those all views we discussed, right? What is this window, sir? Now today we need to discuss about dashboards. Let me load our RPD. Apply. Then activate changes. Close. Capacity management. BA server. Restart selected. Yes. Right. Anyone asked a question, what is dashboard? The answer is dashboard is a template. It is useful to integrate n number of your reports. Dashboard is a template. It is useful to integrate n number of reports. That's what the answer. Dashboard is a template. It is useful to integrate n number of reports. Now, why I need to integrate the reports? Answer is very simple. Suppose I am the HR person, I am HR manager. I would like to see my all activities in single dashboard. That may be how the recruitment is going on monthly wise, how the layoffs are going on monthly wise, how the promotions are going on monthly wise. These are all three types of reports I would like to see in a single dashboard. That requirement making me to integrate these all three reports into one single dashboard. Okay. Now, how to create these dashboards? And how many types of dashboards we have? We need to understand. We have two types of dashboards. One is called as My Dashboard. Other one is called as. Let me reload this one. One is called as My Dashboards. Second one is called as what's that? Shared dashboards. If you go for this dashboards icon, we will see here what's that? My dashboard. Then we are seeing what's here? Under some folders, you have some other dashboards. Right? These all are called as shared dashboards. And whatever you are seeing is my dashboard. My dashboard will be created for each and every user whenever one user is created. Whenever I created one user, immediately what will happen, sir? My dashboard also will be created behalf of that guy. Now, this my dashboard can be accessed by only that user. That means, suppose I develop, my name is Ram Reddy, I developed one my dashboard. This my dashboard can be accessed by only me. No one else in the world can access this my dashboard. It is property of mine. No one can access it. In case of shared dashboard, if I develop one shared dashboard, means that can be accessed by anyone in the world. But as an administrator, I also can control who can access, who cannot can access. The permissions I can give it. Dashboards will be saved again in where, sir? Dashboards will be saved in catalog only. If you go and see in the catalog, my dashboard will be available in my folders. If you see in the, I selected my folders here, what I have here, sir? My dashboard is available. In the shared folders also, wherever folder we saved, the dashboards will be available. In this one I have two dashboards. One is B150DB, TestDB. To access these all things quickly, I have a dashboards icon. Using this icon, I can access these all things. In case of my dashboards, if you see carefully, here I can access, click on this open and I can access this one. This is what my dashboard, it is available. If I go for the shared dashboard, if I want to access shared dashboard, means let us say shared dashboards, wherever you saved that one, you can go for that location and you can access that one. Click on open, you can access that one, no issues. Now, your aim is how to create such kind of dashboard. First of all, how to create such kind of dashboards. You have in your hand to create the dashboard. One dashboard is called as what, sir? Shared dashboard. To create the dashboard, we need to go to the new button. Then we have one option that is called as what, sir? Dashboard option. If you click on this dashboard option, then you are getting one pop-up window that is called as new dashboard window. In the new dashboard window, it's saying as choose a name and location for the new dashboard. I am selecting one name. That name I am giving as, let us say, B. Your batch number. What is your batch number, sir? 151. I am giving B151. Okay. Now, where you want to save that one location? That location may be shared folders, B151 folder, dashboards. In this one, you want to save it. Okay, then you can click on OK. And here two options are there. One is add content now, add content later. That means immediately you want to integrate the reports or you want to integrate reports later point of time. As of now, I am saying immediately I want to import this one. Then I can go for add content now, click on OK. Then we will get here one empty dashboard here. This is what your empty dashboard. Okay, empty dashboard we got here. Okay, those empty dashboard, in the empty dashboard, if you want to drag and drop, already your saved reports are there, then simply you can expand here and you can see what's there. If you want to drag and drop this one, you can drag and drop current month report. Let us say current month I am dragging and dropping. Simply you can drag and drop. Before going for the drag and drop options and all, what I want to do here is, I want to understand the layout of this one. How many parts are there in this one, sir? 3 parts. This is called as dashboard objects part. This is called as my work area. I can say. This is called as catalog part. Catalog part is the one which will be saved. All our reports, filters, all things are saved into where, sir? Catalog only. All things is saved into catalog only. Right. Now, this is work area. And here we have one toolbar, dashboard toolbar it is. First button is useful to create the pages. Already I have by default, what is sir? Page 1. If you want to create one more page, you can take help of this one, add dashboard page. Let us say I am clicking on that one and I am giving some name, click OK. Then you get one more page. One dashboard may contain n number of pages. One dashboard may contain n number of pages. Next one I have here one more button, that is what sir? Delete current page. Suppose if this page you don't want, you can delete that one. Click on S. That page is deleted. Next one I have here, what sir? These tools, dashboard properties, PDF and print controls. That means sometimes what will happen is dashboard, sometimes some people will be take the printout also. To take the printout of your dashboard, we need to set the print controls here. What type of paper you want to use? Let us say A4 size or A3 size, whatever it is. And we also need to select orientation. That means horizontal, or if you want to make it as vertical. What is the orientation? Those are things you can set here. Click on cancel. Next I have here one more thing, that is what sir? Preview. Before saving, if you want to take the how it looks like, that preview you can see. Then run. Run is the one after saving you want to see the output. Then you can run it after saving. Preview is what sir? Before saving. Run is what sir? After saving. Next, here I have one more option that is called as save as option. Last one is help option. Help. If you want to read some material, you can go for that help. Am I clear? Now, one exercise I want to do here, that exercise is I want to develop first two reports. I want to develop. The two reports I want to save into catalog. Thereafter, the two reports I want to integrate into dashboard. This is what the exercise what I want to do. What I want to do, sir? I want to develop two reports. I want to save those two reports into catalog. Thereafter, I want to integrate those two reports into dashboard. This is what the exercise I am going to do. I think these things you can do it. Yes or no? Please guide me. I will do it. Yes, tell me, sir. Why full is not working? F11 only, right? Huh? Okay. Now I'm going for new. Next what, sir? Analysis. There I have supplier sales. Click on the supplier sales. Click on supplier sales. Then I am taking three columns here. One is region column. Second one is district column. Then I am taking here dollars column. Three columns I taken. I am saving this report with the name of dashboard input. I am going to use with this one. So I am giving the name as DB1. I am giving the name as dashboard report 1. Otherwise report dashboard report 1. Next, I would like to develop one more report. Let me go for new. Next, analysis, supplier sales. Then I am developing one report that is called as year versus. Next, region versus. Then I want, let us say, dollars. This region I want to take in the first position. Let me take in first position. Then I am clicking on results. Then I got the result also. Let me save this one. Click on save. And I am saving it to shared folders. B151 folder. And I am naming this as DB report 2. DB report 2. Click on OK. That also completed. Now next one is what, sir? We need to integrate these two reports into my dashboard. How to access my dashboard, sir? Go to dashboard. How to access dashboard? Go to dashboards. Then my dashboard, or what you created the dashboard? B151. Next. Then we got here. As of now, content is not available. That's the reason this page has no content. To add content, click edit here or in the toolbar. Toolbar means this is what the toolbar. In the toolbar also I have here one option, what, sir? edit dashboard. This is called as dashboard toolbar. It is called as dashboard toolbar. Now I am clicking on edit dashboard. Then I got the same work area now. Now whatever you developed, those things all are available here. If we expand this one B151 folder, then I have here DB report 1, drag and drop. Whenever you drag and drop your report 1, automatically this report is coming with what's that? One section. On top of this section, what is there? One column. In one dashboard, we may have n number of pages. In one page, you may have n number of columns. One column may have n number of sections. Section may have n number of reports. All are one too many. One dashboard may have n number of dashboard pages. One page may have n number of columns. One column may have n number of sections. One section may have n number of reports. Now I would like to take one more report. Let us say DB report 2 I am taking. This DB report 2 I am dragging and dropping within the section. Within section 1. Now in the section 1 I have how many reports are? 2 reports are available. The section 1 is part of column 1. Now I am going for preview. Click on this preview. Then how the report will be looks like is like this looks like. Now what I want is this report I want left side, this report I want right side. How I can organize in that way? I have here one option in the section that is called as what, sir? Horizontal layout. That is a property of section property. There is a section property. Click on that one. Immediately these two things came to the horizontal. Now I am clicking on preview. Whenever you click on preview, then you can see both came in what, sir? Side by side direction. Side by side direction. Right. Now I am closing this one. Next two. What is my requirement? I am saving this one. I am running this one. What is my requirement is, here I am expecting one prompt. Here what I am expecting, sir? One prompt I am expecting. In the prompt I will have region corresponding all the values. Let us say central, east, west. If I select central, immediately this report and this report should be reflected with the central data. If I select here east, then these two things will be reflected with the east data. Like that I want. So here I am expecting what, sir, now? One prompt I am expecting. To integrate here one prompt means first we need to create one prompt or not? We need to create one prompt. How we can create a prompt? Anything we need to develop on new means we need to go where, sir? New button. Then where is the option? We know what is analysis, we know what is dashboard, we know what is filter. We need to know what, sir? What is dashboard prompt? If I click on this dashboard prompt, then you are getting from which subject area you want to develop it. Suppose if I select supplier sales, then I got a supplier sales corresponding thing. Then I have here one option, that is what, sir? New. Click on this new. Already people are aware of these prompts. Yes or no? Already people are aware of these prompts. That is the reason I am not discussing much on this one. Directly I am going for column prompt. Column prompt is corresponding to region. Okay. Next what, sir? Save. Save into B151 folder. That name I am giving as DB prompt 1. DB prompt 1. Click on OK. Completed. Once I created this one, I need to drag and drop into where, sir? In my dashboard. How I can go to the dashboard? Dashboards next. B151 next. I want to edit this one. How to edit? Click on this toolbar next. Edit dashboard next. Then whatever you just now developed that is available in the catalog, if you expand this B151 folder, there we have one thing that is called as DB prompt 1, drag and drop DB prompt 1. Within the section also if you want to drag and drop, can you drag and drop? Yes or no? See, if you drag and drop, if you want to drag and drop, we can drag and drop, but it is coming as what, sir? Horizontal. Why? Because you selected this property as what, sir? Horizontal. Look and feel wise, it is very good if you drag and drop this one instead of here separately. And the reason I am dragging and dropping on top of this one. Next, I am clicking on preview. Whenever I click on preview, click on save, click on run. Click on save, click on run. Now what we got, sir, here? We got here region drop down we got. Region drop down we got. If I select here region drop down, I got here all the values which are available in the region column. Suppose if I select a value, let us say central. If I click on apply, is it affecting, sir? No. Why it is not affecting is, from here we are passing central, but these guys are not accepting that value. Why these are not accepting is, there is no acceptor for these reports. What do you mean by acceptor? What do you mean by acceptor here? It is giving some value, but these things are not accepting that one. To make these reports to accept or listen the dashboard prompt means we need to use one thing here, the property I'll show you. Let us go for edit, dashboard. We need to change the report properties. This is the report. This report properties are available. Click on that properties. There I have what, sir? Edit your analysis. I'm going to edit that one. Then if you go back and I have here one thing that is called as criteria. In the criteria, I'm putting a filter on region. I have here one operator that is called as what, sir? Is prompted. Is prompted is designed to accept or to listen dashboard prompts values. To accept or listen dashboard prompt. Am I clear, sir? If you are not giving a is prompted, then it will not listen whatever dashboard prompts are changing. Okay. Now I am giving this as like that. Click on OK. But the is prompted action at the report level is 0. I mean to say, now if I click on results, what I am saying, sir? I am getting all the data, right? Central data is there, east data is there, west data is there. Is it active in the report level, sir? It is not active in the report level. It is useful to accept dashboard prompt values only. In the report level, it is there or not there, there is no meaning. In the report level, it is there or not there, there is no meaning. It is not going to stop any value. All the values are we are getting. Only purpose of the is prompted is in case of dashboard prompts, in the dashboard you integrate your report, you should listen the dashboard prompt values means we require is prompted. Okay, that we understand. I am saving this one. It's saved. Now let me go for our dashboard. Next, B151. Now I got my dashboard. I am selecting, let us say, region is equal to central. I am clicking on apply. If you see carefully, this report is updated or not? But these reports are not updated because we didn't do the is prompted. Can you people help me to do is prompted for this report? Yes, please tell me, sir. Edit dashboard. Next, I want to modify this report. So I need to select this report properties. Then edit analysis. Then criteria. Then region. Then I have here filter. Next, I have here is prompted. Select is prompted. Click on OK. Okay. Now click on this results button. If you see a results button, no effect of this is prompted is available in the report end. I am saving it. Now go for our dashboard. Click on B151. Then I have here, I am selecting, let us say, central. Click on apply. Then automatically you will see here only central data here. Here also what, sir? Central data. Are you clear? Now you people understand how to integrate a dashboard prompt into my dashboard page. and how to make reports to listen dashboard inputs. Now my reports are listening, whatever dashboard prompts you are changing, those all things it is accepting. Am I clear, sir? Right. We completed one exercise in the dashboard. What is the exercise we completed is, you developed some reports, you developed one dashboard prompt, and we made this report to listen dashboard prompt, and you integrated these all three things where, sir? Into dashboard. Am I clear? Right. Once it is done, slowly we need to understand some more things here. What is my requirement is, I have here two reports, right? Okay. Whenever I open the dashboard, did you observe or not, B151, I am opening this dashboard. Whenever I open my B151 dashboard, what is your observations, sir? By default, this is applicable or it's not applicable? Not applicable. First time whenever you open your page, by default we are seeing what, sir? Entire data. That means all the data we are seeing. Once we started changing this one, let us say we change this as central, click on apply, then these two are affecting. Yes or no? Then these two are affecting. Okay, if I select this as, let us say, east, then click on apply, then these two are affecting. But first time whenever you opened, what are you seeing, sir, over there? We are seeing all the data. I don't want like that. I want to see by default central data in both the reports. My requirement is clear or not? I want to see by default central data in both the reports. How to do that? What is that? We need to change the prompt. That is correct answer. Requirement is, I want to see central data by default. The guy is saying as we need to change the prompt. Yes, what we need to change the prompt? Let me go for edit dashboard. Now this is my prompt. To change the prompt, I need to go to prompt properties. Then I have here, what's that? Edit. Then if you go for the edit, what I have, sir? What I need to do? Region is available. Region next. Edit. What exactly need to do? Tell me. We need to provide by default selection as some specific value. The specific value we are providing as central. Click on move. Click on OK. I provided by default value as that one. Now I am clicking on OK. Once I clicked on the OK, then I am going for my dashboard. Did I save it, sir? No. I need to save. Then I am going for dashboards B151. If you see B151, by default, what happens, sir, here? Central value selected, and also we are seeing here central data. This also OK. Next. Here in the two reports, by default we are seeing central data, right? I don't want like that. In one report, by default I want to see central data. In one report I want to see entire data. Question is clear? In one report, by default I want to see central data. In one report I want to see entire data. How to do that? So first I need to change this dashboard prompt, because if I select here central means both things will be changes. So dashboard prompt I want to leave as empty. Okay. Then I need to configure reports in such a way it shows only central. It shows what, sir? Entire data. Let us go and do that one. Let me go for here, edit dashboard. Next, I need to change this prompt in such a way I don't want any specific value. Because if I give any specific value at this level, then automatically it changes all the reports. That's the reason I am deleting here specific value. Here I have some specific value. I am keeping here as none. Then I am going for OK. OK. Then I am going for save. Then I am going for dashboard to see my results are really applicable or not. If you see here, by default in both the things that I am seeing, sir, entire data I am seeing. Now my requirement is, in this one I want to see, only central data. In this one I want to see what, sir? Entire data. How to do that one? Report level, something you need to change. So we'll go and we'll modify the report level, edit, dashboard. Next, this report I need not change anything because I want to see entire data, already showing entire data only, no issues. This report what, sir? I need to change in such a way it shows only central data. For that purpose, I am clicking on this button. Then I am going for edit analysis. Then I am going for giving filter on the region. Instead of is prompted here, I am selecting is equal to is in. Then I am selecting here one value, that is central. Click on OK. Now if you see here, by default showing what, sir? Central filter will be applied and show only central data. I am saving this one. Now I will go to the dashboards and I am going for B151. Then I have here central data, here entire data. Now my question is, let us say if I select East here, if I click on apply, will it change this data or not? DB report 2 will be changing and DB report 1 will not be changing. That is what your answer, right? That's what logical thinking wise it is correct. But my OBIEE side it is wrong. Click on apply. What is happening is both the reports are changing. Okay, if you given static filter in the report level, also, if you give a static filter, then also my dashboard prompt has capability to change that one. But strictly you are saying I want to make that strictly central data only. I don't want to change. I don't want to this report to listen dashboard prompt inputs. I don't want my report to be listen dashboard prompt inputs. In that case, we have one option. That option is go for edit. Go for edit dashboard. Then in the report level, I have one option that is called as protected filter. I am going for the report level criteria. Then I have here edit. Then I have here one option is what, sir? Protected filter. If you select this one, no one can change this one. It is always constant only. That means always it shows, sir, central data. Always shows central data. No one can change this one. Now I am clicking on OK. Then I am clicking on save. If you go for the dashboards, next what, sir? B151. Then you are able to understand here. It is the central is there by default, and I am changing here. Let us say east. Click on apply. This will be changes, no issues. But this one is what, sir? Not changing. That is a protected filter. Now next one is what I want is same report whatever you are seeing here, same report I want to put in some other page also. Is it possible or not? Can I use one report in multiple places or not? Answer is yes. One report I can use in a number of places, no issue. Okay, now I will go and I will do that one. Edit this dashboard. Now I am dragging and dropping. Sorry, first I need to create one more page, right? So I need to click on add dashboard page. Then I am giving as name as page 2. Okay. Then I got here page 2. Then I need to drag and drop. B151 folder. Then I have here page, what is this one? report DB report 2, right? The DB report 2 I dragged and dropped. Now I am saving this one. Now I am saving this one, and now I am running this one. Then if people understand, same report I can use in multiple pages, no issues. In the same page also can use multiple times, no issues. Now exact my question, what is on this topic is, if I change now here, let us say I am changing this as a central, west, and I am clicking on apply, what happened is this report is changing, right? Now my question is, in page 2 also same report I have, right? Is it changed or not? Is it changed or not? No. Why? How you are saying no? This prompt is only for this page you are applying, right? Let us go and see in the page 2. What happened is, what happened, sir? This is also changed. This is also changed. But whatever you are guessing, that option also available. Suppose whatever prompt is there, this prompt should applicable only for this page. This prompt, whatever you are saying, it should applicable only for this page. It should not applicable for page 2, means we have to do one setting. That setting is go for edit dashboard, and we have here prompt, dashboard prompt properties. In the properties we used edit button, right? But we didn't use the scope button. By default the scope is what, sir? Dashboard. That means wherever reason column is there, that reason column will be affected by this one throughout all the reports. Now I am selecting here, let us say page. If I select page, and let me confirm one more time, page is selected properly or not. It's selected. Now I am going for saving of this one. Then I am going for running of this one. If I change this one into, let us say, some value east, and I click on apply, then it's changing as what, sir? East. But if you go for the page 2, is it changing, sir? No. Based on the scope, whatever you are seeing here, dashboard prompts also divide into 2 types. One is called as what, sir? Dashboard level dashboard prompts. Second one is called as what, sir? Page level dashboard prompt. Page level dashboard prompt. First one is dashboard level dashboard prompt. Second one is dashboard page level dashboard prompt. 2 types of dashboard prompts are available. Now, as this is what the story of initial story. Initial story means how to create one dashboard, how to integrate reports or dashboard prompts into this one, how to make reports to be affected by dashboard prompt. Okay, how many types of dashboard prompts are available? 2 types of dashboard prompts are available. One is page level dashboard prompt, dashboard level dashboard prompt. These are things. Tomorrow's class we are going to discuss these dashboard objects. Okay, these all objects we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, is it okay? 7 to 8 as it is, everything is there. There is no change in that one. 7 to 8 as it is there. Okay, in the 8 to 9 some small half an hour of class will take for this dashboard prompt. Okay? Only tomorrow. Okay? Day after tomorrow onwards, Wednesday onwards, one demo is going to start in the same slot. 8 to 9 we have the demo. Okay, any of your friends are there, please refer them. Okay, thank you.